formulas is average, the average group of formulas. The logic of these formulas is pretty similar to the logic for the sum formulas as well, and again the structure is very similar as well. Just to give you an example, now I'm going to go to the spreadsheet that I have here again and go to the examples for average. So just to show you, we have average, and we just go select the range here and we do this. So 5.09 is the average. Again, if we just go and do the same for these cells here, we have how many cells? 3 cells that we need to get the average for, and 267 is the average. Now the example for the average if is here, and what we need to do is we need to get the average for the types of fruit that we have here. So we can start typing the formula, and now we need to select the criterion range first. I'm going to fix it, and then we need our criterion, which is here, and now the sum range, the average range. Now this is what we do. We get 169. Now if we copy the formula for all the fruits there and change the formatting or the number of numbers after the comma, we get this. The example for average ifs is here again. The same example, Walmart and the wine that costs $6.99. We need to get the average sales here, and this is what we are going to do. So we have the range again, and now I am just going to make this range permanent or fixed, and then we have the criterion range, which in this case, well, the first criterion range is here. That's obviously the price range, and then select the price here as well, and then the second range here is the retailer's name, and then we have Walmart. In the end, we get 67,370 as the average total sales for Walmart for the $6.99 wine. Now, going back to the presentation,